Holy! Oh my gosh! Oh, all right. So welcome back to another video. This is pretty much gonna be the last POV with this wheel. I'm installing this thing real soon, so I'm excited. So I need to do like one more last little POV with this wheel. I'm so excited to get the LED wheel because it looks so sick. But holy. Ooh. Yeah, I had to do one more last POV with this wheel. Just, you know, I'm sure I'll change it back eventually, you know, if in case I try to sell it, which I don't plan on doing. But you know, you never know. Sometimes, what if I want to go back to this? Who knows? But I'll do one more pull and then time to switch the wheel. What the fudge? Oh, I had it on KM. Dude, in sport mode, dude, when the tires are cold, it slips like crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna go on my way to change this wheel and let's see how it looks after. Dude, I'm so excited to install this steering wheel. Like, look, like there's just no way it's gonna be, bro. Oh, dude, that's gonna change the whole POV videos. That's gonna look so good. Looking at the standard wheel looks like so trash. Like the comparisons, like this looks like a sport wheel, you know what I mean? Sheesh, bro, I can't wait to, I'm so excited. So we pretty much just disconnected the battery. I did both ends just in case, because I know you're supposed to only do one, but just in case, I'm not trying to risk it. Now I'm gonna go to the part where I take out the airbag. Bro, this is the hardest part. This is the hardest thing I've ever had to do on anything. Bro.
Finally, dude.
Oh my gosh. That is it.
Took us like 40 minutes just to get the airbag out.
We kept coming across it, bro. Wow, that was so annoying. Well, now we freaking did it. Now it's time to do the unplug everything. All right. So we finally got the airbag off. Dude, this thing, definitely don't recommend doing it by yourself, but pretty much this thing unclips by pushing down on some little knob. Now we're gonna take this out and then unscrew the back, and pretty much this pops off, and then we have to unscrew this, and boom, time to put a new wheel in. So it's pretty straightforward, but it takes time. Finally we took out all these little components. Now, oh yeah. So pretty much now we took everything out. We got all the components over here. Now we just gotta take out this middle piece, and then the new wheel comes in. All right, I think we're good. So now I'll run this thing.
Let's see the wheel. Hold on, let's see the wheel first.
Oh yeah. Fire, bro. Sheesh, bro, it's so good. Looks so good.
Go for it.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
But it's supposed to go in more. All right, so pretty much we put the new steering wheel in. I had to connect these two wires, the black and the red, with the ground to 24. I'll put a video in the description how to do this, but pretty much we're gonna test it before we put everything back together, because if it doesn't work, that's gonna suck. So let's go to the battery. So I'm just gonna put it over, just like temporarily, like that. Oh, moment of truth, bro. I don't know if I need to turn on the car completely, but I'm just gonna turn on the car all the way. Ooh, let's go, baby! Look at that. It shows the RPM too. Yeah. Dude, it's about to look beast, bro.
First try, baby.
Dude, look, oh my gosh. All right, now time to put it all back together. Hey, this one's, I don't know. Oh yeah, he's getting a little. So pretty much, guys, we did everything. We got these connected, got the paddle shit disconnected. Now we gotta do the airbag, and we're freaking done. Let's go. Bro, we're literally almost done, but dude, this is a struggle, bro. I know it's nighttime, dude. It's taking me all day, but look how good it looks, bro. Watch this, bro. This looks so good. GPS connected. Watch this, bro. I do need to reprogram it though. It's a little bit too sensitive, but still, dude, reprogramming, that's not the issue. That I got it installed. It shows the RPMs, it shows my miles per hour. There were some fitting issues, but yeah, definitely gotta fix that. But still, I'm just happy it works. That's all I care about. I'm just happy the RPMs are correct and the kilometers per hour are correct. That's what I'm really mostly worried about. I'm gonna continue this more during the day, but I'm just gonna do a little pull. Oh my gosh. Oh. Bro, this wheel feels different too, so it like, I don't know, it feels like a new car again, dude. It feels so good. So it's 5 days later. There were some issues with this wheel, so I ordered a different one. Pretty much, I was talking about if you guys ever plan to do this, specifically for Dodge cars, the lever I was talking about is this one right here. You can see like, here, let me try to put it. So when you're digging in, when you're putting your screwdriver in the hole, that's the lever you're trying to push down on. In other videos, people were saying like right here, but you don't really feel it when you're going in from this angle. And you can just see all the attempts I've had, and I didn't even realize I was hitting it. So that's what you're aiming for right here. Still good luck, still freaking hard, but I'm excited to finally get the right wheel. Let's go. I love how these look the same, but they're literally completely different. Definitely, if you don't have the right tools, dude, don't even waste your time. It's just such a struggle for no reason. So make sure you get the right tools before you start this, if you guys actually do this to your car. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this wine, baby. Okay, let me get out of this freaking sunlight. Finally, boys, we got the wheel. It's been 5 days since I last recorded this video. Freaking got the new wheel, dude. I'm freaking hyped. This wheel is low-key a little bit better. It has a carbon fiber on the side, but that's pretty much it. But feels sick, dude. It feels really good. I'm really excited to finally make POVs with this type of steering wheel. I need to see what else I can do. I kind of want to. I'm ordering some carbon fiber, this, and to put some carbon fiber over here too. Something in the middle of the road. So I'm excited, bro. I'm really excited. This was long overdue, but dude, I've just been waiting so long for it to come in. Oh my gosh. To finish off this video, but man, I'm loving this freaking wheel. It just feels so different. It actually feels like a sports car now. Well, not necessarily a sports car, but it feels just like, it just feels way better, you know? The other one's just kind of like plain. Man, I gotta put this thing on track mode, but whatever. Alright, boys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.